my channel. I'm Janani. Today I'm gonna show you how I did this easy yet beautiful glam makeup look with classic red lips for Christmas. If you want to know how I did this look, then continue watching the video. Before that, kindly click the red subscribe button and bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Organica Home Aloe Face Moist, and for lips I've used Wilva Chocolate Mint Lip Balm. To start off with makeup, I'm using Face's Ultime Pro Primerizer. I'm taking a tiny amount of primer and dotting it on the center part of my face where I want to fill my pores. This primer also has very minute shimmer particles which gives a slight glow to my skin. I'm using this primer because I'm not gonna highlight my face today. Concealer in the shade Rusty Orange to color correct my dark spots and hyperpigmented areas. You'll require just a small amount, guys. Don't go overboard with it because if you do so, you will end up to look like a pumpkin. Just kidding, guys. These are the small tips I want to share with you all. First, I'm blending it well with my finger to obtain maximum pigmentation. Also, if you've seen my video title, you might have noticed about Mini Beauty Blender Challenge. So today, I'm gonna use this Mini Beauty Blender from Pack to apply my complete base makeup. I don't know how it's gonna end, guys, but let's see. Wish me best. So there are two blenders in this packet. I'm gonna use the red one, which is the wet one. You can see it's slightly bigger than the black one, that is the dry one. So now I'm just gonna run the blender on my skin to remove off any excess orange corrector. Then I'm setting it slightly with K Beauty HD loose powder to prevent foundation getting mixed up with the orange corrector. Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Café to conceal the orange corrected areas. As I said before, I'm blending it with the same Pack Mini Beauty Blender. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 330. I'm taking it little by little on the beauty blender and blending it well all over my face. You might think I usually mix two shades to get my perfect match, but this time the shade 330 matched my skin tone very well. So I went ahead and used it. And that was a great exercise for my hand, guys, to complete the task. Blending and blending it well with this Mini Beauty Blender. Whoa. Next, I'm highlighting my facial features with Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel. I'm applying it on my chin, Cupid's bow, bridge of my nose, center of forehead and under my eyes. Then I'm blending everything well with the same Mini Beauty Blender. is my complete base makeup. I'm using the same Beauty loose powder. All the products used along with their links have been provided in the description box, guys, so kindly check it out. Next, I'm using Wet n Wild contouring palette to add some warmth to my face. I'm applying the darker shade on the sides of my cheeks, jawline and tad bit on the sides of my nose. For blush, I am using Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine. I am applying it on the apples of my cheeks and slightly on the tip of my nose. Then I am baking my under eyes slightly with the same loose powder to prevent the fallouts from the eyeshadow. To fill my eyebrows, I am using the darkest shade from Miss Claire Eyebrow Cake. I am building the pigment slowly and I am applying it in the direction of hair growth for natural looking brows. Eyeshadow, I am using Makeup Revolution Tammi X Topical Paradise Palette. I am picking the mauvish pink shade with a fluffy blending brush and I am applying it on the crease and outer V of my eye. Build the color slowly and blend it well, guys. That's the key to get a perfect eye look. On my lower lash line as well. Now I'm picking the champagne shimmer shade with my fingers and applying it well on the inner to middle part of my eyelid. Picking the light pink shimmer shade with my finger and slightly pressing it on the middle part of my lid. This will look like a duochrome finish and provides you a beautiful eye look. Now I am picking the light gold shade with the shader brush to highlight my brow bone and inner corner of my eyes. Sugar Cosmetics Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal and applying it on lower and upper waterline. Then I'm using Echt Beauti gel eyeliner to draw a small winged thin eyeliner. Now I'm using Vega eyelash color to curl my lashes well. Then I'm using Faces Mageteyes mascara and I'm applying it well on the upper and lower lashes. This mascara provides natural looking yet voluminous lashes. So I like this a lot. My complete makeup with NYX matte setting spray. I'm spritzing it all over my face and letting it dry for a minute. This will ensure that my makeup stays longer. For lips, I'm using Miss Claire lip liner to line my lips first. Pat matte lipstick to fill my lips. This is my favorite red lipstick because it is so good and affordable as well. That's it guys, hope you like this classic red lip makeup look which is apt for Christmas. If you do so, give this video a thumbs up, comment below whether you like this look and let me know what more videos do you want from me. Also you can follow me on my Instagram page stylefitwithjanu for skincare, hair care and makeup content. I do lots of product reviews there. So check out my Instagram page if you wish to. Until next time, bye.